Namaste, Khusrao Betia. I, JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is cloud computing service model. So, in previous session, we have discussed what is cloud computing and what is the deployment model of cloud computing. Now we will see the service model of cloud computing, in which we will discuss about infrastructure and configuration of cloud computing. So there are mainly three service model in cloud computing. The first one is infrastructure as service, in which we will discuss about infrastructure of a service like storage, space, operating system, and virtual middleware. So, infrastructure as a service, which is called also as, that means infrastructure as a service is a way of delivering cloud computing infrastructure, server, storage, network, and operating system as on demand service. All three models allow users to access services over the internet, relying entirely on the infrastructure of a cloud service providers. These models are offered based on various SLAs between providers and users. In broad sense, the IS service database compute instance, the file system and storage must be provisioned to satisfy user demands. Let's suppose, take an example. If you are going, if you are in a restaurant and you want to make a pizza by self, then what do you need? You need a you need a space where you can make your pizza by own choice of materials. What do you want to give the ingredient in your pizza? So infrastructure as a service is a same type of a provision, in which whatever you want to take from the service provider, and what type of service you need, you can only take those service. Okay, so it is costly, but some organization need this type of service. If anybody um, want to give some example, please give the example in comment box. So infrastructure as a service has architecture like database, master, worker, and data distributed file system, where billing option is available, and when client wants some service, they request to the cloud service provider, and they only pay as he use their service. uh, in cloud computing, which are made available as subscription based service in pay as you go model to consumers, the services provided over the cloud can be generally categorized into different models like IaaS, like platform as a service and software as a service. These forms these forms the three pillars on top of which cloud computing solution are delivered to end users. The second one is platform as a service. Platform as a service can be defined as a computing platform that allows the creation of web application quickly and easily and without the complexity of buying and maintaining the software and infrastructure that support it. That means uh, you only need a platform where you want to allow the creation of web application as you want, as per your organization requirement. To be The platform cloud is an integrated computer system consisting of both hardware and software infrastructure. The user application can be developed on this virtualized cloud platform using some programming language and software tools supported by the providers like Java, Python, .NET. The user does not manage the underlying cloud infrastructure. The cloud providers support user application development and testing on a well-defined service platform. This platform as a service model enables a collaborated software development platform for users from different parts of the world. This model also encourages third parties to provide software management, integration, and service monitoring solution. SaaS, which is called software as a service, is oftenly built on the top of platform as a service, and after that uh, your infrastructure a service on the top of the service. Okay, so next is your software as a service. The software as a service model provides software application as a service. As a result, on the customer side there is no upfront investment in servers or software licensing. On the provider side, costs are kept rather low compared with conventional hosting of user application. Customer data is stored in the cloud data, that is either vendor proprietary or publicly hosted to support platform as a service and infrastructure as a service. The best example of software as a service is your Google Gmail and Doc, Microsoft SharePoint, and the CRM software from Salesforce.com. They all are very successful in promoting their own business, are used by thousands of small business in their day-to-day operations. That is the overview of service model of the cloud computing. In next lecture, we will discuss some uh, pros and cons of cloud computing and its characteristics and architecture of the cloud computing. So thank you class, and this session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any problem regarding this session, please comment below. I will resolve it on live session class. Thank you.